Hello everyone. Today the Whatapedia introduces you the 6 best work from home jobs that you can start doing instantly, and also where to find them. Trust that the COVID pandemic has impacted lots of people around the globe materially, so for those who have been working from home, or unfortunately underemployed right now, you must watch this video to find out the 6 work from home jobs. And we would start with those with minimal experience, to jobs require more skill sets, and of course showing where to find these jobs in the latter part of the video. Number 1. Data entry. This has been a very popular part-time job at home all the time. The scope of data input could be wide, from data processing to inputting subtitles. This kind of job does not require applicants to have high academic qualifications or experience, so you only need good word processing and the basic office software skills. Subject to the complexity of the task, there would not be a standardized wage for the employees. Therefore, most companies choose to pay salaries based on the amount of work completed, like paying a specific amount for each completed document. Number 2. Small tasks. Filling out questionnaires is a good example of doing small task, to earn some money from working at home. For those who are wondering why companies pay people money to fill an online survey, it is because they want to gather the data and opinions that help them design and grow their current business by reaching out to more potential customers. In addition, there are also small tasks that require individuals to give out opinions, such as website testing or content evaluation. Companies would pay you to give out your feelings and views on the particular images or designs they show you. Thus these kinds of small tasks are great alternatives to work from home. Number 3. Customer Service Assistant. This doesn't require you to be super presentable, because many companies would provide some initial training, and give you instructions on how to deal with different situations. Therefore, the job is more like answering queries from the customers and handling the daily affairs. It may often require the customer service assistants to deliver the response on phone, but some companies which offer online chat boxes would allow the assistants to perform the customer service function on the computers. So you have the flexibility here. Number 4. Foreign language tutor. Being an online tutor for foreign language courses would be a great option to earn some money at home. There are various online language learning platforms, and it would be easily accessible and convenient for both students and you as the tutors, as the courses could be done completely online via video calls. At this point, you may think that your language abilities are not very outstanding, but don't forget that everyone has his or her mother tongue. So if you are a native English speaker, you must be familiar with English, but for people living in the Asian countries, they may have a high interest in improving their English proficiency. Therefore, it may be easier than you think to have private lessons with students on conducting foreign language courses. Sorry to stop you here, but your support means a lot to our channel, as we started this channel during the COVID pandemic too. So please subscribe to our channel before continuing watching the rest of the video. Number 5. Course Instructor. This is a bit different from the foreign language tutor mentioned just now. As a course instructor, you need to outline and build the whole course yourself. Your course should cover the skills you are good at, and teach others in the form of text or video presentations. For example, if you are good at programming, you can share the coding tutorials via the online course platforms, where people who are interested would pay a sum of money to purchase the course. In fact, this could turn the working from home supplemental income into a long-term passive income. Number 6. Designer. This job may require the most specific skill set among the previous 4 jobs. But if you have expertise in art design, there are quite a lot of available designing jobs online. For example, web design, graphic design, photos editing, posters and logos design and more. It is never too late to learn the designing skills for some of the areas mentioned before. And it would be even better if you have passion for designing. So you can receive a desirable income on a project-based basis, which is pretty good during the work from home period. Before moving to show you platforms to find the work from home jobs, just a quick summary of the previous 6 jobs. If you don't want to invest too much time in managing and completing the jobs, you can choose the first 3 jobs, like data entry and small tasks completion, to earn some quick income. But in terms of a longer term income, you can devote more time on the latter 3 jobs, such as course instructor and designing ones, as your work could be attracting different customers constantly, and potentially provide you with considerable income. Now we would recommend 5 platforms and websites for you to look for the work from home jobs we mentioned in this video. The relevant links would be put in the description box down below. First, Fiverr. This is an amazing platform for all freelancers to provide services to customers worldwide. So as you can see from the platform main page, there are different professional services that customers could seek for, like logo design, translation, data entry. And when you click on Become a Seller, you can find out more on the details of being a freelancer on Fiverr. So basically you can provide different services that comply with their terms. And you can set your pricing from $5 to nearly $1,000. What's more, it is completely free to join Fiverr, and the payment would be transferred to you when you complete the order of a buyer. Second, Amazon Virtual. Needless to say, Amazon has job openings in a large number of locations in the world. But when you look carefully at the working locations, there is one called Virtual Location. So actually Amazon has plenty of jobs available for people to work from home. From the description on the web page, the virtual opportunities could be something you need, if you are looking for jobs with flexible working locations. When we scroll down on the page, you can observe there's a wide range of job categories, covering from sales management to human resources. You can explore different openings on this Amazon Virtual Locations jobs website. Third, Amazing Talker. It's an online language learning platform, where students can look for tutors for different foreign languages. As you can see, they have English, Japanese, Spanish tutors. So you can find out more on becoming one of the tutors by clicking on Apply to Teach. At the top section of the page, you can see the estimated earnings according to the language you would be offering to teach. When you scroll down a bit, you can find out more details on becoming one of the tutors there, and apply on the vacancies that you want. Fourth, Appen. Appen is an Australian-listed company that provides data for the development of machine learning and artificial intelligence products. From the part-time jobs website page, you can already see 3 big categories of jobs you can apply for. For micro-tasks, you can find interesting jobs that could be reading a tweet or short post, and deciding the content and relevant emotions related to it. It could also be judging whether a particular picture or text is acceptable accordingly. Online survey opportunities are also available. You can see Appen provides work from home opportunities, ranging from simple surveys that can be completed in an hour, to ongoing projects that last for a longer time. You can visit the page if you're interested. Fifth, Udemy. Udemy is an online courses and learning platform. People can choose from loads of online video courses regarding different topics. Say designing, photography and personal development. So for those who are interested in being an online courses instructor, you can click on Teach on Udemy. So you will earn money upon a student having purchased your course and get paid monthly. There you can also have a brief understanding on the possible steps in preparing and launching your courses. Feel free to have a look on this website if you have the plan to become an online course tutor. Hope the information shared in this video gives you insights on how to make a decent income at home. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and comment if you enjoy this video. Cheers to you and the Whatapedia.